Planes, trains, and automobiles. These all have one thing in common. They're still smaller than your mom. But she's not today's topic. Oh no. No, today we're talking about your daily driver and that stereo. Let's go. With the help of movie magic and some child labor, we can skip to the interesting stuff. Oh, hello there. I didn't see you. I was just making sure the next guy can't get out. You know, it's interesting. People will say the Corvette, it's a toy. But it's so much more than that. I mean, just yesterday, I was able to fit all these groceries back here. Shovel, a case of water, camcorder, and tripod, zip ties, some tape, there was a person. Oh, don't worry, I didn't know them. But I digress. The point is, the Corvette is a great daily driver. As your daily driver, you should invest in some quality of life features that really modernize the entire experience. You can enjoy wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, mechanical HVAC, built-in nav, front and rear cameras, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatibility, smart OBD2 scanners, and so much more. Honestly, other than the price, the only downside is the initial shock going from cheap GM plastic to the sleek and stylish 21st century styling that you deserve. What are you waiting for? Order your MAXDIN today. Let's roll.